Hello traders, welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you a powerful strategy based on market structure and liquidity that can help you to grow up your account fast and improve your win rate. So I promise if you learn and master this strategy, you will be profitable all the time in the market. So without further ado, let's get started. So now let's learn the structure of this strategy. Then I will show you in the market. So first, when the price makes higher high and a higher low, it means we are in the uptrend. So when the market break the previous high, it means a break of structure. We will mark as BOS. Then after the price break this structure, then we wait for the price to create a liquidity, and then grab that liquidity like this. Sometimes it makes liquidity like this and then grab it. So when the price grab the liquidity, then we look for engulfing pattern or pin bar to entering a long trade or a buy position. So I hope you understand it. So I will show you the example in the market that you'll learn the exact strategy as well. So look at this chart. Here we have a break of structure. The market create BOEs after that. So we look for the liquidity. So let's go. And so look at here, we have the liquidity here. And now we wait for the price to grab this liquidity. Okay, so we wait for price to grab this. So now you can see here the market shift this liquidity and grab it, and now we don't enter the trade directly. We wait for the market to print an engulfing pattern or a clean pin bar to enter a buy position. So let's see what happens here. Let's go. So here you can see we don't have any confirmation to entering the trade. So now we have another liquidity here. Now again we wait for to price grab this liquidity. So you can see price shift this liquidity and create a clean pin bar after shifting the liquidity. And this is the exact confirmation to entering a buy trade. So the entry is at the close of the pin bar candle, and stop loss will be the recent low or below to the shadow of this pin bar. So the take profit target is the high of the market. So let me mark the high of the market as our TP. So now let's go what happened. Let's see how it's moved. So you can see here the market perfectly hit the target. The market always is like this, make simple structure with high chance to high risk reward trade. There is another example. So you can see here the market break the structure and create a BOS. After that we look for the liquidity. So look at here, we have the perfect liquidity here, and we wait for the price to shift this liquidity. So let's go. And finally you can see the market perfectly grab the liquidity and create a perfect entry setup with engulfing pattern. So we can enter a buy trade at the close of the candle, and you will set the stop loss below to the engulfing pattern, and our take profit target is the high of this setup, and that is here. Let me mark. So you can see that you can see and you can see the market perfectly hit the TP, and that's it. I hope you learned this strategy, and if you want more strategy like this, comment below and like and subscribe to the channel for more trade setups. And if you don't have any time to analyze the market and you want signal with perfect strategy and high win rate, you can check my Telegram channel. The link is in the description and in my bio. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.